Hi there, Bruce the Water Guy here. On a nature walk today with the boys out at the Tobico Marsh. See behind me the marsh area that we went, walking around looking for critters and crawly things and just enjoying some time in nature. And we're at a nice little sandy inlet here near the beach, and we happened across a turtle's nest. So you can kind of see these leathery turtle eggs. Looks like it hatched naturally. They dug their way out, crawled down the beach little area, and made it to the water. Pretty sure that an animal didn't discover it and dig it up and have a massacre because, well, we don't see any little turtle carcasses. So this was a successful nesting by a local turtle. Not sure what type by just looking at the eggs. So enjoy. I hope you had fun checking out part of our nature walk. This is Bruce the Water Guy. Have a good day.